Hey guys, how y'all doing? All right, so tonight I have some lemon chicken orzo. I overcooked this a little bit. I did make this in the Instapot. It's my first time cooking orzo, and it's an Italian pasta. I didn't know how's it supposed to turn out. I meant to make some orzo soup. I put a pound of orzo in my Instapot, and it ballooned up. Now it looks like porridge. All right, let's dig in. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Very aromatic. I can smell that thyme. That's very good. It's so flavorful. Wow. Everything's just so tender. I'm totally making this again. It really does taste like rice porridge though. So good. So good, y'all. I love it so much. Hot. You guys gotta make it. Definitely make it. I mean, it's so good.